Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello ma'am, we are from group 9. My name is Aurea.
My name is Carla.
My name is Melissa.
My name is Shakila.
So for today's project, we are going to make two kinds of dessert. One is fruit salad and the second one is honeydew melon ice.
Before we make our fruit salad, I want to show the ingredients that we need.
The ingredients are 150 milliliters of mayonnaise, 100 grams of melon cocoa, and 1 scoop of butter.
100 grams of melon, 100 grams of watermelon, and 100 grams of grape. 2 pieces of apples, 250 milliliters of condensed milk, and 50 grams of cheese.
The utensil and kitchen tools we need are
9,
Now let's start with the first dessert, cheese fruit salad. Use peeler to peel apple skin off. Then dice the apple using knife on top of the cutting board and it becomes like this. Then peel the honeydew melon skin off. Then dice it into pieces on the cutting board. Then it will be like this.
peel the watermelon skin and remove the seed cut the slice of watermelon into a half.
cut the grapes into a half and remove the seeds.
Now let's make a mixture of condensed milk, mayonnaise, and a squeeze of lemon. In the other bowl, mix all of the fruit. Then add a mixture of the condensed milk, mayonnaise, and a squeeze of lemon. Then add the fruit and pieces. of lemon,